Let me tell you the story of the plane tree and the travelers. There were two travelers who were walking in the noonday sun. They sought the wide spreading shade of a tree. As they approached the tree, they lay under the wide spreading leaves of this tree. They realized that it was a plain tree. One of the travelers told his friend, "What a useless is the plain tree. It bears no fruit, and it only serves to litter the ground with leaves." Suddenly, a voice came out of the tree. "Ungrateful creatures. How dare you? You lie here in my cooling shade, and yet you say I'm useless." The moral lesson of the story is our greatest blessings are often the least appreciated, such as health, leisure time, and our parents and families. One of the greatest lessons in this story is that we have to show appreciation to people and to things for the kind of service they offer us. Thank you very much.